the top of Ganga Choti. It's really lovely place of Azad Kashmir, and Bani Minhasan, it's a village. Lovely weather here, really very cool and cool. We are feeling cool here. It's 9 July of 2018 and 5:50 of the evening. So 6:50 of the evening, sorry. So we are here enjoying looking some animals like buffaloes and cows over here. And here you can see the top of Ganga Choti, about 10,000 feet high from the sea level. It's a really amazing place. We are invited to you come here and enjoy the beautiful weather. It's really lovely. We can show you the playing ground of Bani Minhasan, and you can see here we are zooming of the Bagh city. Yeah, you can see this is the Bagh city. This is our village Bani Minhasan, and we are again invited you to come here, watch this video, because it's really very lovely weather here, lovely place. It's a beautiful and visiting place. Here is, I can zoom for you, here is rest house and restaurant services. You can see people are arranging something for you like tea, food and anything. You can come here enjoying the weather. So again, I requested to you, please join here for visiting the top of Ganga Choti, so you can come and enjoy this beautiful place. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you so much.